Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Xiangqi, which is also called Chinese chess. I am Xiangqi International Grandmaster Jia Dan. Now let's start today's lesson 8. In this lesson, I'm going to show you the 8th stratagem called advancing secretly by an unknown path. It means deceive the enemy with an obvious approach that will take a very long time, while surprising him by taking a shortcut and sneak up to him. As the enemy concentrates on the decoy, he will miss you sneaking up to him. Let's go back to the game. First of all, by analyzing the situation, it seems that red has more strong pieces, but black will go chariot 4 plus 2 checkmate. Black will win first. How should red resolve this crisis? Here we go. Red plays first. Horse 5 plus 7 check. Horse 7 plus 8 check. Chariot 4 to 5 capture the black advisor and check. Capture the red chariot. At this moment, red applies the stratagem of advancing secretly by an unknown path. Cannon 3 to 6 attacks the black chariot and resolves the crisis. Let's see. The real purpose of the red is to prepare to attack the black general. The black advisor 5 minus 4 captures the red cannon. Then chariot 3 plus 2 check. Moves the advisor to defense. Then chariot 3 to 5 checkmate. Red wins the game. Let's review the game again. What a wonderful game that is a perfect example using the stratagem of advancing secretly by an unknown path. After learning this lesson, hope you guys understand this strategy better and apply it to your games. Have you learned it? Keep trying and practicing. See you in our next lesson, watching a fire from the other side of the river. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.